All of us are going to die. It's part of being human. But losing someone you love is the hardest challenge that all of us face. To make things worse, the industry around it is stuck in the past. It's old-fashioned, expensive, complex to get your head around. When you really put people at the heart of the challenge, you can start doing things really differently, helping people to take on not just the practical side of dealing with death, but the emotional end too. That's what's brought us to where we are today, with fantastic reviews from our customers and some hard-won awards. And now, having redesigned how wills and probate are done in the UK, we're on to our next challenge, revolutionising the funeral industry. People want less fuss, more affordable prices, and more importantly, a funeral that truly represents them. From send-offs on hilltops and beaches, in gardens and homes, bringing together the people you love to celebrate life your own way. For the first time, we're offering the opportunity for our customers to join us on the journey alongside some of the best venture capital and angel investors in Europe. So in this world where death is a tough, intense, emotional thing to tackle, we're here to build the first truly consumer-centric brand in death and to make every death a simple, affordable, brighter goodbye.